How to create a Shopee account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Shopee account. First, open your web browser. Here, search for Shopee.com. Scroll down and select your country or region from this list. You will be taken to the sign up page where you need to create an account. So click on the register or sign up option given here. After that, you'll be asked to add your phone number to continue. Alternatively, you can continue by choosing your Google or Facebook account. Click on Continue to proceed further. Once done, you'll be taken to the Shopee homepage where you can explore different products to purchase. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.